Drag the image widget onto the canvas, then double-click the widget to import an image. When importing, if the image is very large, you can choose whether to optimize it. By default, the imported image size is the same as the original size of the image. Delete it, we drag in another image widget and then change its size. Double-click to import the image. After importing the image, you can see that the size of the image is the same as the size of the image widget. If you change the size of the image widget, this will happen. To restore the image to its original size, click Fit to Image button. You can directly adjust the color of the image in Axure RP. Click the Adjust Color button, and you can adjust the color in the pop-up pane. You can slice the image into different parts. Click the Slice button, select the point of the image to be sliced, and the image will be sliced by the point. If you need to crop an image, you can click the Crop button or right-click the image, select the Crop option, then adjust the position you want to crop. Double-click to confirm cropping. You can directly clear the image in the image widget. Click the Edit Image button, and then click the Delete icon to clear the image. You cannot directly double-click on the image to input text, which will pop up a window for selecting the image. You can right-click on the image and select Edit Text to input text.